Hi, hello, hi. I'm back with skincare, another skincare method, and this is used by both men and women. So feel free to try it out. Yeah. So today we are going to try out the tomato.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a tomato. You can see my skin. You see my skin. I'll try to zoom and you see it clearly. So we are going to try out this. Yeah. So we're going to get our slices. Yes, I've sliced it like this. Like this. Oh. This is super cold. So we're going to rub it like this. Rub around these these the lower part. What are they called? If at all you have these dark ice circles. You rub it like this. Oops. You rub. Please don't eat the tomato. Don't even try to take the juice out that is coming out. So if you want to brighten up your skin a little, yeah. Those with the dark lips, like a goat. So you're going to rub these lips. Okay, I accidentally took the juice. So rub like this. I'm sure you like it. I've been using it, so I highly recommend those who have acne. You want a glowing skin. Why stress yourself yet you have a tomato? But if at all you don't want to waste your tomatoes, you can just look for a small one. Don't use a big one. But this thing itches. Okay. I don't want to spoil it, so let me use the whole of it. You see? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. These lips, if you have dark lips, those people still exist. So if I have a story for you. But I think I don't want this video to be so long, so maybe I'll send it to you in the next video, or maybe I'll make its own video. So look at that. So men, feel free to use it. This thing is not one-sided that only women are the ones to use it now. Who said that? Feel free to use it. Yeah. And ladies, if your man is not But let me say, if your mind doesn't have time for it, force them. I force mine. Facials, but then my mind is not forced because he's a person who loves looking good. So you see. So mostly we want that juice, the juice that comes out of the tomato. Yeah, it's the one that we want most. So we're going to leave this juice so play with that juice around your face. Play with it. So you can leave the juice in the face for about 10-15. Oh, if at all you have time, you can even leave it for 30 minutes. You get? So some of you want to look better, just choose to look like that. I have a tomato and I can glow my skin. I can do everything for myself. So we're going to wrap that juice and we leave for me. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. As I told you, I use it on a daily basis. Maybe if at all I don't have time, but I always use it. I always use it. So this is how it's looking. Okay. Here I found something. So yeah, I had to voice this. I had to voice it over because I forgotten the music. So you rinse your face very well with lukewarm water. Yeah, lukewarm, not hot water. So that's me cleaning with my towel. I had to clean. Yeah, I cleaned. Yeah, you see that glow? You see that glow? Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. So you clean until you feel you've cleaned the whole what, that sticky juice. Yeah, because remember we left it to dry for some good minutes. So yeah, that's how we are looking. This is how our face is. These are simple things that you all can do at home. You understand? These are very simple. Just cutting the tomato and then apply it to the skin. What does it take? Like, what does it take? So try it out and then you tell me what it did. Did it help? Yeah, try it and thank me later. Don't forget to comment down below. Yes, and don't forget to like, share out, guys. Those who have not yet subscribed, please do. Yeah. Yeah. I repeat, if you're seeing me for the first time, wherever you're watching me from, my regards to you. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So this is me. I just realized I had left this music on. I hope it doesn't affect my video. So we're going to add some moisturizer. Just to moisturize our face more. And why not? Why not to glow? Right. You see my skin. You see? So those fighting acnes, try this. Try it. I'm sure you'll like it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, in the next video I'll be showing you how to you'll see. So thanks for watching. Thanks for loving me. Thanks for showing me love. And yeah, for any questions, feel free to ask. Any video you want me to do, anything you want me to do for you, just comment it down below. Yes, so this is how we look. Very simple, very simple, very simple, very simple. Bye bye, love you all.